Okay, everybody, this is a very special hammer and nail side job. It's a little long, so just bear with me, but I think you're gonna like it.
Hammer and nail side job. Today we're gonna make Mommy a bookmarker.
Let's grab some wood. Let's take our measurements. This measurement 9 inches. Always ask for parent help, and remember, safety first. Make 3 of them. Crazy math angles. A bunch of sanding. I've never sanded before.
You see the wood grain? How it goes this way? Right, it goes like this. It doesn't go down. It goes like this. Okay, do it. Time for some glue.
Woo! One.
All right, now smear it with your glove.
This is the funnest part without your hand. Without gloves.
All right, good. Stick them together. Glue on the bottom.
On the bottom. Can I nail it together? I'm gonna try this one by myself.
All right, good job, dude. Cool. All right. Gotta hit it.
This is just like whacking. This is just like whackable, but with a real hammer.
Good job. All right. One final sand to smooth it out.
Add rubber feet. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Add wood wax.
Ew! Can we eat it?
No, what? No. That's the end of that chapter. Bookmarker. Drink beer.
Dad!
Yeah, that's right. Hold on.
Drink root beer!
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Hit that follow button on the right. Yeah, right here.
Good job. I like it.